In Sundanese culture, the mysterious Jurig is more than just a spirit. It's a powerful symbol of the sacred connection between humans and nature. Often seen near ancient trees or water sources, Jurig serves as a reminder of the sacredness of these landmarks. These trees, like the revered banyan, are not only cultural icons but play vital ecological roles, such as water retention and oxygen production. A 2021 study revealed how Sundanese folklore fosters eco-literacy. By associating spirits like Jurig with forests, communities are encouraged to respect and protect these spaces. This reflects the Sundanese philosophy of maintaining ecological harmony, passed down through oral traditions and rituals. Recent sightings of shadowy figures in Kuningan evoke the essence of Jurig. These appearances are interpreted as spiritual reminders, urging humanity to safeguard the environment. Sundanese society views these spirits as guardians, bridging folklore with environmental ethics. The mystical narratives surrounding Jurig are more than legends. They are a call to action. They remind us of our duty to protect the environment, ensuring harmony between humans and nature. Sundanese teachings encapsulate a profound respect for nature. Through the lens of Jurig, we are reminded that nature is both sacred and essential to life. Subscribe for more cultural insights.